Hey guys! OMG, guys. To really know me is to know that I've been obsessed with Beetlejuice since I was a kid. I was definitely that little kid who would race home after school to watch the classics, as most of us millennials did, and Beetlejuice was always on the roster. And so it is no surprise that I was super excited that they finally did a movie where they even brought back some of the original characters. And so I'm gonna kick off my mini-series titled Charmed Spirits with none other than a tribute to Beetlejuice himself with what I call my Beetlejuice Buzz. After all, I know you're here for all the booze. Get it? Too cheesy? Anyway, stay tuned. The ingredients you will need for this cocktail are vodka, melon liqueur, pineapple juice. I'm excitedly using a spicy version I found at the store because this island gal loves a little spice, but you can use regular pineapple juice if you like. 1 can of lychees, blueberries, and a few stems of dill herbs that we'll be using for the garnish. And voila! Guys, I think we really captured the essence of the Beetlejuice movie with this cocktail. And I decided to pair it with this fun shrimp cocktail presentation as another ode to the movie's famous dinner scene. This came out really good. Cheers to fun and creepy cocktails. Now it's your turn to make your own. It's showtime!